Okay, so we talked about this first argument here, and this is basically the link to our Firebase project. So if I go back here to the Firebase project here in the safety circuit, if I click on that and I just go Control and C, and then I copy that in there, make sure you're inside the quotes, and that will be the link to our Firebase project. So we have now made that connection and we stuck it in a variable called Firebase con. So all we have to do next now is we have our connection already, and we have our microbit feeding in our data. So if we come down here, and what we're going to do here now is this: we're going to set up a little script. So get the data ready to post. And to post it, what we're going to do is we're going to say Firebase data and Firebase data is equal to, and what we're going to say here now is our so it works in this idea of a key and value pairing. So key value pairing. So my key name I'm going to have here is voltage, and my value is going to be the actual voltage that I'm reading in. Okay, so we just make sure we close that off and pull that back to the start there. Right, once we have that done, we want to post our data to Firebase. To do that, final line here, we basically use our connection that we had up here above, Firebase connection, that makes our connection to our database, and Firebase con, and we use the keyword post, and in here I'm just going to create a folder called voltage readings. You don't have to do this, but I am choosing to do it, and in there we're going to post our Firebase data that we've got ready and ready to rock and roll. So if I run this program, hopefully I won't get any errors. Invalid syntax there, so import Firebase, so I made some mistake up here. Oh, it's from Firebase, I should be saying up here in the top. If I run it again. Alright, it's running. So if I could go and press button A there on the microbit, I should see the reading coming through here. Button A, that's great, and we get 0.23, and it's been pressed a couple of times there. That's lovely. And we just go now to our Firebase, and you can see there that the voltage readings have come through there that I've set up to come through. So let's press button B there on the microbit, and we'll see it coming through live here, hopefully. And maybe there's a bit of an error with button B. I'm going to give it a good press there, button B, to try and make sure that it's working. And so, as often happens in Magic Live demos, oh, there we go. Press button B, and we turned off the circuit, voltage 0 came through. So that's a short video demo of that. See you shortly.